So let's discuss the course structure and the approach that we have followed throughout. So in this entire course, you will find we don't have any slides. So you will see this is the only slide available in the entire course. But overall, the course we are doing either on the whiteboards or we are doing hands-on on the Google Cloud platform. So we have this intention to provide you an in-classroom experience through whiteboarding sessions. Yeah, so that is the approach that we have followed. After that, you will see that we have focused primarily on the technologies which are important in big data world these days. So even though we will talk about Hadoop, but we will never talk about the MapReduce APIs. We will talk about MapReduce concepts, not the APIs. So our intention is to focus on those areas which are really important these days. So whenever we are explaining anything related to MapReduce concepts, those concepts are primarily to teach you the distributed processing rather than explaining you the MapReduce APIs. So that's the intention, basically to give you the best which is relevant these days in the industry, like Spark, Kafka, NiFi. So we will be looking into those technologies which are very important, and rest of the technologies that we are using in this course are either creating a background for you, or these technologies are important for working with Spark or working with Kafka or NiFi. So for example, Yarn is very important when it comes to Spark, because Spark on Yarn is a very popular combination in the production environment. Similarly, you will find like when we are talking about Hive, this is also very common tool for performing data analysis on big data clusters. So these tools have been used, but you will see our intention is to share with you the latest greatest information throughout the course. Apart from that, we will be covering breadth of the technologies. This course is covering multiple technologies, and each technology actually has a depth. So if we have to do a crash course and we have to cover many things, we cannot go into depth of each and every technology in a single course. So this course is not for covering depth of the technologies, but it is giving you good idea about each and every technology, so that you know like which one fits where overall in the ecosystem, and why this technology exists, and what is the architecture of this particular technology, and how do we do hands-on with this technology. That's the way we have structured the course, right? So whatever theory we are discussing, that is relevant, that is something which is required for building the foundation for big data. So that's the intention. Apart from that, you will find we are doing hands-on on Google Cloud platform. So rather than paying to the cloud provider, so we will be leveraging the trial version. Yeah. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to us on forum, or we have forum.datacouch.io. I will be talking about that page also. But in general, this is how you will find the courses.